Sounds like a helicopter. Maybe one of those that goes across here every once in a while. 'Cause they're, I don't know, wicked loud from the chopper blades. Sounds like it's getting just a little bit louder. Not fast, like it's coming real quick. Hear it? Oh. Ah, there you go. I don't see it yet either. You guys see it yet? There it is. Wow, yeah, he's cranking too. Looks like a passenger. Yeah, maybe seats 8 or something like that. But it's a helicopter for the day. Oh, wait a minute. We got one this morning. It was, the lights were on. You could see it in the dark. Yeah.